West Coast rap legend Snoop Dogg has revealed his ambitions for Death Row Records, which include the possibility of releasing the track Nuthin but AG Thang as an NFT. Continue to watch if you want to learn more. Before we go into detail, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content. And if you want to continue getting this value for free, help us win the YouTube algorithm. You know what to do. Snoop Dogg was featured on the lead track from Dr. Dre's 1992 debut album, The Chronic, which reached number 2 on the Billboard Hot 100 in 1993. Snoop Dogg was joined virtually by Ice Cube for a YouTube live talk on Thursday, March 31, during which they discussed the digital future of his new record label. "I might just sell Nuthin but AG Thang next month," the rapper and proprietor of the Coom label teased. According to Billboard, all new Death Row releases will be NFTs, which means Nuthin, but AG Thang could be the first to drop. The famed rapper's official ownership of Death Row Records, the iconic record label where he began his career 30 years ago, was disclosed in February. The entire terms of the deal had not been published at the time of the acquisition. According to certain rumors, the rapper would be denied access to several iconic Death Row albums, including multiple Dr. Dre and Tupac LPs. Snoop Dogg clarified what his ownership of the Death Row brand entails in a recent interview, stating that he does indeed own the masters of some of the label's most renowned releases. "To be in control of the brand means that I got all of the pieces that I need to do what I got to do, from the masters to the publishing, to the IP, to the label, to the logo, to everything," he told Tidal's Elliott Wilson. "It's all mine. I'm able to move it around and do what I need to do with it." As far as Tupac's masters came back to him last year, he said. "But I've developed a good relationship with his estate, and I'm certain that we'll be able to work something out to keep some Death Row Tupac business continuing now that Snoop Dogg is in charge of Death Row. It's the same with Dre and The Chronic." He said, "I acquired The Chronic record," before listing off a list of other Death Row albums he now owns, including his own first 2 albums, Dogg Just Island Thaw Dog Father Thaw Dog Pounds Dog Food, and the Above the Rim and Murder Was the Case soundtracks. He said, "I received all those records." Meanwhile, the rapper has confirmed that he is working on a duet with BTS. On March 25, when speaking on the red carpet at his and Kelly Clarkson's American Song Contest, the rapper acknowledged that he and the trio have been collaborating. He told the AV Club, "I'm going to let them tell you about it," before adding, "It's official like a referee with a whistle. That entertainment world fascinates me. It's a nice piece of music. It has a certain mood to it." Before we go, please like this video, and if you haven't already, please subscribe and comment, which helps us provide more content like this video you just watched. And if you got some sort of value from this video, please smash the like button, smash subscribe, and hit the notifications button so you always get alerted when we publish value-driven content like this before anyone else does. And together we win. Finally, check the resources to more detailed information on metaverse investing, decentralized finance, Defi, and NFT, non-fungible tokens, investing guides in the description box below.